Let's practice few more important interview and group discussion questions today. What I want you to do is you go ahead and practice with me, then pause, write down your answer, and record yourself and see if you're making mistakes or have improved than previously. So let's go ahead and start our questions. Ready? Let's go. Do you think social media is a boon or a bane to humankind? Answer number 1. When you have to speak positive about the topic. Answer number 2. When you have to speak against the topic. So I think you have enough points to go ahead and speak for or against the topic. If you want more such practice, go ahead and comment practice.